Hello everybody and welcome in. Today we are checking out NuPhy's brand new release, the Halo65 version 2. This is a 65% wireless mechanical keyboard that's been overhauled with some new designs and features that we'll get into right in this video. One thing that I've always appreciated with NuPhy's products is the packaging. Included inside is everything cleanly compacted with a lot of goodies to go through, so it always feels like Christmas whenever you're doing an unboxing. You have everything you generally need from your selection of tools, connectivity options, manuals, and extra accessories, all to get you started. Let's go ahead and check out the keyboard because that is what we're really here for. If you're someone who is coming from their previous V1 model, then you have a lot to look forward to with the Halo65 V2. While it does keep the same iconic look from the original, the keyboard has been refined to be more expressive with some quality features. You have your options of 5 colors to choose from. I went with the Obsidian black theme because I personally think it looks the best from those selections. Taking a look at the build, the chassis is constructed with a blend of several components here, with the top case having the sturdy aluminum finish, while the bottom side is transparent using polycarbonate material. The side profile has been updated, consisting of these wavy columns along the edges to add this layer of dimension that sets it apart from your standard mechanical keyboard. The top side has your ports and switches consisting of this Trimode connectivity using USB-C, or you can take advantage of the wireless capabilities with Bluetooth or wireless 2.4. There's also a switch to toggle between operating systems to both Windows and Mac layouts. You have your native supports for macOS with functions like Spotlight, D&D, and much more shortcuts with no extra setups required. On the backside, we have rubber stops around the perimeter to stabilize the keyboard on surfaces. But what's more important to me is that we get these 2 configurations for angle adjustments. What really brings this keyboard to life is when it's powered on with the LEDs displayed. This aesthetic truly adds more depth to its entirety. The RGB lighting system isn't just some surface level glow. This is NuPhy's Halolight 2.0 and is easily one of the most stunning light implementations that I've seen on a keyboard yet. This light is not just coming from under the keycaps. When it's paired with the transparent bottom case, this acts like a canvas, diffusing the LEDs throughout the entire keyboard, giving it this soft ambient glow that blends seamlessly around your desk. For me, I like having the LEDs rotating around the perimeter with the backlights for the keys turned off. However, the color cycling and configuration does have a lot of depth to it, which you can customize to whatever your preferences desire. Moving on to the keycaps, these are MSA high profile keycaps, and it has some small tweaks for better ergonomics with the height adjusted slightly to improve typing performance. They're made using this triple shot injection process, which helps improve the durability. Underneath that are the switches. The V2 has a bundle of options to choose from. For me, I went with the raspberry switches, which are part of NuPhy's new herb series developed in collaboration with Gateron. These are 45-gram linear switches with an early actuation point, which makes them ideal for fast keystrokes that would appeal to gamers or fast typers. Those that wish to utilize different switches, the PCB is hot-swappable with a 5-pin connection to let you pick and choose your customizations without any need to solder. Taking a deeper look into the internals, one of the biggest changes in this V2 is the mounting system. NuPhy has ditched the old top-mounted style and upgraded to the gasket mount design. This adds layers of dampening between the plate and case, giving it that flexible feedback and improvements to the acoustics. Improvements have also been made to the performance with a polling rating at 1000 Hz for both wired and wireless. That means that you can rely on the ultra-fast response time on either connection without having to worry about input delays. If you're like me and prefer being on wireless, then you'll be happy to know that you'll get plenty of use time from the 4000 mAh battery. With all the lights turned off, you can get up to 240 hours of usage and a range of 25 to 180 hours depending on which lighting effects are enabled. When it comes to tinkering with the configurations, then you'll want to look into the QMK via firmware. With no software required, you can get direct access to configurations for full key remapping, macro support, media control, and layered layouts. There's also full support for SignalRGB, which allows you to sync the keyboard to other compatible devices like your mouse or PC case. This opens more possibilities for unified reactive effects to your lighting setups. The Halo65 V2 starts off at $120, and depending on your switch choice and add-ons, this can vary. Between the design, sound, performance, and customization, it delivers a lot of value for what it offers. This might be worth considering if you want a premium quality keyboard without having to build one yourself. So that is a full breakdown of the Halo65 version 2. From the aesthetics to the performance, it's a strong upgrade over the first gen and a great package deal in this price range. If you're interested in checking one out for yourself, then I'll leave links down in the video's description. If you have this keyboard already, it would be great to hear your experience with it and how it's holding up today. Guys, that will conclude my review of the Halo65 V2 keyboard. If you enjoyed this review, then I would greatly appreciate your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more reviews like this. There are still many awesome keyboards out there to check out, so stick with us in the future as we continue to feature more. With that being said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.